Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a video all about my birthday gifts because these videos are usually quite popular and I think I got some amazing gifts that maybe might give you ideas on what to give your favorite people in your life, or maybe what to wish for your own birthday, or what to get for yourself just to celebrate that you are happy and alive. These things are in no particular order, and also it's not everything, but just, the thing that I thought would be interesting. So let's just get started. First of all, my partner got me this Pond's grammar little leaflet for Italian, because I have been practicing Italian with an app, and I've always been complaining that the grammar lessons aren't that good. So he gave me this whole thing so I can start checking things in the grammar part right here. I was really excited about this because I'm a huge grammar nerd. With every language I learn, I just want to understand the grammar. And learning vocabulary is interesting and fun as well, but I really am a grammar nerd. So this was perfect for me. Then he gave me tickets for a city tour that we're gonna do in March. So I have been living in this city now for 3 years almost, which is crazy to be honest. And I am getting around quite well, I understand where all the important things are and stuff. But there are a ton of city tours you can do in my town, and some of them are really interesting. So we're gonna do one that focuses on like the underworld. So I think like cellars and stuff like that. I'm really excited because, I like that kind of geeky stuff. And also he gave me tickets to go to a very fancy cinema where you can get snacks and stuff like that. And it's all like huge plushy couches where I can sit on and stuff. So I'm very excited about that as well. And I have to decide which film I want to see there. But yeah, those are amazing gifts. And I love that these are things that we will do together. Just very happy about that. And speaking of cinema, he also gave me this movie. This is a German movie called Ballon. And I have seen this before and really liked it and wanted to watch it with him. So yeah, I'm very glad to have this on Blu-ray now so we can watch it together, because it's a very good, very good film. It's all about people who tried to flee from the GDR to the German Republic in the late 80s, I think. So like mid to late 80s, and yeah, very good movie. Next up, a friend of mine sent me this book. This is called Bitte Orangen by Claire Fuller. And is there an English title? Bitter Orange is the English title. And this came out in 2018. I don't know much about it, but the back sounds very interesting. This is about a weird kind of triangle of 3 people who are spending a summer in a house in the 1960s, 1969. So yeah, it's all about their relationships and how they're spending that time together, even though I don't think one is a couple and the other person is just watching them and stuff like that. So we'll see. It sounds super interesting, but more like a summary read, so I will keep that for the summertime. Then one of my friends got me this wine. She has a channel as well, but she's not been posting for a while. It's called Look at My Books. And she got me this wine, which is called Lesestoff. So stuff for reading, basically. But it's a kind of joke because Lese also has something to do with wine. So it's kind of a joke. This is I don't know what kind of wine, but yeah, it's a German wine and I am excited to try this. I'm not a huge wine drinker. I don't know much about wine, so we'll see about that. She also gave me a book, and that is Brooklyn by Colm Tobin? I don't know how to say that. Let's be real. Like Irish names. I don't know. This is all about a woman who grows up in Ireland but then leaves for the United States in the 1950s. And yeah, it's basically kind of romantic but also coming of age. And I've watched the movie last year and I did enjoy it, but I've heard quite mixed things and also some bad things about the book. So I told her when she gave me this and she was like, oh no, I should have picked another one. She hasn't read it, so she didn't know, but I've heard that there's like a rape scene or something that is not really rape maybe, but bordering on non-consent, and that she actually ends up with a guy who does it, and many people are upset about it. Since I have this book now, I will read it, but I'm a little bit hesitant because, you know, rape things are very triggering for me, and non-consensual sex, very tough topic for me. So we'll see. Then she also got me a ton of these green tea bags. So these are just like little examples. I think this one actually is not a green tea, but the others are. Yeah, she got me little samples because she had these huge tea portions and she wanted me to be able to try all of them. And then she also got me some bath time goodies, which is always great because, you know, I love taking a bath. I do it quite regularly and these all sound amazing. Like this one is so cute with a little teddy bear. Then a couple of other friends got me this book. This is a German book. It's called GRM or Grimm. The author is Sibylle Berg. I have heard nothing about this so far. And the back is very vague, so I don't even know. It sounds like it's dystopian, but then it says this is not a dystopian, so I really have no idea what this is about, but it's a gorgeous, gorgeous book, so I really hope that I will like this. I have a hard time with German authors, but yeah, they said I will love this, so I hope they know me well. They also got me some sweets, which I have already finished, but they were delicious. And they got me this tea, which is peach tea. So yeah, this is a fruity tea and I'm very excited to try this. And then yet another friend gave me some foodie goodies. So this is like a tomato sauce, a very fancy one. This is a vegan something you can put on your bread. I don't know how you call that. Like a spread, a vegan spread. And then also some nice cornflakey things. So this is with, never mind, English words. But yeah, very yummy. So I'm very excited about that as well. We've also tried some of those things already, so they're not in here anymore. But like lots of fancy food stuff. Then my best friend also got me some things. She got me this beautiful bath bomb, which I'm very excited to try. She got me this a pretty scented candle, and this is sandalwood, I think. Green jasmine and sandalwood. I think this is an IKEA candle as well. She got me this little hand soap, which I haven't opened yet. She gave me some cat food. Unfortunately, not the favorite cat food of my cat, but we'll see. She have to eat it. And then the sweetest little card with like little cats on it as well. I got a ton of cat cards. I think every single one, maybe? No, this one doesn't. But all the other cards I got for my birthday all had cats on them. So people know me well. And then my best friend also got me this little oil that is lemon scented, which is great because I love lemon scents. They just help me feel refreshed. And this is shea butter. So if you have like dry patches, you can use this. Then she found this card, which is hilarious. It has little chocolates in there as well. So you can write, you know, something nice in here and then eat the chocolates. And she got me this little installment of Chi. This is a manga series that I've been reading like one a year, usually for the reading rush. So I will definitely keep that for the next round, I guess. And then she got me this shirt, which has little cherries on it. And to be honest, 18-year-old me would have loved this. Right now, I'm not quite sure when to wear this because it's a little bit too flashy for work. But I'll figure something out. But yeah, very kind of rockabilly style. So now we cut up to the family gifts. And my mom, first of all, gave me these super crazy little mats that you can use for food, so you can protect your table. So these are like very, very pink to say the least. And obviously they have cats on them because like I have a cat problem. Then she got me this very nice tea. This is an herbal tea with matcha. She got me some Body Shop products because I gave her some products from that line for Christmas, and this is the Juicy Pear scent, and it's amazing. This is a body butter, I think, yes, and the shower gel. So I'm very excited to try these because, as I said, the scent just blew me away. And then obviously I wished for the new Sims expansion pack. This is Discover University, I think the English title is. So you know what I'm gonna do as soon as I finish this video. She got me some cat food as well because, you know, obviously everyone wants my cat to get quite fat. Oh, she's looking at me like, what are you saying? I'm not fat. Well, not yet, honey, not yet. Okay, then for me to get fat, we have some nice white chocolate, and this is vegan, so I'm very excited to see what that is actually like. I've seen that so many times in stores and never tried it, so it's time. And then this beautiful candle. This is La Jolie Muse scented candle. It doesn't really say what the notes are, but it's kind of a fruity candle. Smells really nice, and I think I will keep this for the summertime. Yeah, very, very nice. I'm so excited about that one. Then some more sweetie things. I have to put these in the fridge. And more sweets. And some socks, because, you know, I like my socks, my cozy, fuzzy, warm socks. So I'm so excited to put these on. Then my mom also gave me this beautiful new carpet for my bathroom, which I wished for because, you know, mine was old and ugly. And she also gave me this beautiful set of boxes, which I also really needed because I don't have a lot of boxes and they're never the right size, so this is perfect. So now lastly, for my grandparents, they give me a ton of kitchen stuff as well, so be prepared. They got me more boxes, which are great, especially if you want to freeze stuff, because I freeze flesh for the cat, meat. I freeze meat for the cat, so this is very helpful. They also got me some tea, because people know I love tea. They got me new scissors for the kitchen, because honestly, mine are not cutting anything anymore. They are so old. Got me this little whiskey thing, and I have a cat right here. She's very, very interested in the whisk. Also some sweets and some nuts, but not too many, which is great because I always have way too much food around. And then they gave me this beautiful bowl, which is great for salads because it has a lid as well. So yeah, this is awesome. This is so helpful. This is something I didn't even know I needed, but yeah, this is great. And then they gave me this beautiful book. This is The Rise and Fall of the Dinosaurs, A New History of a Lost World by Steve Brissett. And this is a book I've been lusting after for a while. I love dinosaurs. I was obsessed with them when I was a child, so I needed this book in my life. And I had a hard time not reading that immediately when I got it out of the packaging. I was so excited, and I can't wait for this to be before my eyes. So yeah, I really want to read this. Lastly, I got a ton of flowers, so these are representative for all the flowers I got. These are very, very cute, just little orchids. But I got a ton of flowers for the balcony, for inside, some cut flowers as well. Some spring flowers that will bloom right now and then they'll be gone. So tons of flowers, and yeah, I had such a lovely birthday, like seriously one of the best birthdays ever. I am so blessed with all of these things, and I will have to figure out places where I can actually put them, especially my kitchen is so crammed already. So this is all great stuff. You will definitely hear all about the books because, you know, I like sharing my books on this channel, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's basically all I wanted to do in this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like or a nice comment. I always appreciate those. And if you subscribe, I will talk to you very soon. Bye!